you'll go along and say things and someone message in the public chat or they message you privately and say actually so and so and so. I wanted to know how quick we are to take correction and to say yes, actually this is right. It's not in vogue these days to say you got anything wrong, because we're all perfectionists. Everybody is a perfectionist. Everybody behind a microphone. Everyone behind a microphone can't make mistakes, never makes a mistake, and will never acknowledge that, and them lie and dishonest. We are not that. Yes, we are human beings. We make errors and we try to correct them and move right along. This morning I want to, well, I must say I wrestled overnight. I sat up for some time last night thinking about this morning's segment. And I wanted to talk about media in 2025 because listeners, viewers, family members, people who are just stopping by for the morning, it's been a hell of a year for media in Jamaica. Having a conversation with some media owners recently, and to a person, they admit that 2025 has been their worst calendar year, many of them. It has been tough to meet, pay bill month after month. It's very, very difficult because of the environment. Yeah, it's very, and media all over the world, revenues just sliding. Even though advertising spend has increased, it's projected to be what, by $1 trillion by the end of this year, trillion US dollars. But traditional media, not getting much of it. And it's just difficult to keep the lights on in businesses like these. But we know the role we have to play, and so we have to crack on. But there'll be another morning for that, I can guarantee you, before the year is done. This morning I want to continue where I left off on Monday, because I genuinely believe that for what has been said about the management of crime in this country when things are bad, and things have been bad annually for so long, that again you can understand why the naysayers said a lot. And then again, it wouldn't even be fair to call them naysayers, because to naysay would be suggest that you're talking bad about something that isn't necessarily bad. The crime numbers were horrendous, and so the narrative around horrendous crime numbers was quite appropriate, and no criticism should accrue to those